This vegan tuna pasta salad is a delicious meal. It is creamy, featuring tender pasta, an easy homemade vegan tuna, fresh veggies, and a dill dressing that ties it all together. Start by cooking your favorite pasta. I'm using shells, but any short pasta works. Add salt to the water for extra flavor. Add frozen peas in the last 2 minutes of cooking. Once cooked, drain and rinse the pasta under cold water to stop the cooking and cool it down. Now for the tuna. Add chickpeas and 2 hearts of palm to a food processor. Hearts of palm add the flaky texture, so don't skip them. For that ocean flavor, toss in a nori sheet or sprinkle in some dulse flakes. In a bowl, whisk together vegan mayo, lemon juice, relish, the brine from a jar of capers, dill, mustard, Old Bay seasoning, and salt until mixed well. Now combine the cooled pasta, finely chopped celery, carrots, and red onion, the chickpea and hearts of palm mixture, and the dressing. Mix everything until well coated. You can adjust veggies to your taste or what you have on hand. Refrigerate the pasta salad for about 30 minutes until chilled. When serving, finish with freshly cracked black pepper and a sprinkle of dill. And that's it. Creamy, flavorful, and so easy to make. Recipe in the caption. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.